If you want your EarthBox to produce year after year, you need to get the EarthBox Replant Kit every year, and it'll make it just like the first time. So you already know how good the EarthBox works, how well it works. I just want to show you what I do. I've got this EarthBox here that I actually haven't used in a couple of years. So I got this replant kit. I'm going to go over what it comes with, what it does, answer any questions, and show you why I recommend that you get this every year. First of all, you can see that the soil is kind of dry and came away from the edges. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to loosen up the soil a little bit. I'm just going to top it off. All right, so what comes with the replant kit? 1 pound of dolomite. And what this does is it balances the pH of the soil so your plants can absorb all the nutrients they need. You got 1 pound of 777 plant food, which is an all-purpose plant food. So pretty much anything you plant will absorb this. And it comes with 2 EarthBox covers, which has a white side and a black side. And now depending on your climate where you are, if it's a cooler climate, you want the black side to absorb heat and keep your plants warm and keep the roots warm. Or if you're like me in a hot climate, I'm in Southern California, I'm going to use the white side because it gets really hot and I don't want this to dry out too quickly. So the first thing you want to do is mix in your dolomite evenly and mix it into the soil. You want an even distribution. For the fertilizer, you want to look at your instruction manual, and I know, and there's different methods depending on what you're going to plant. I know that I'm going to plant herbs in this one, which are going to be evenly dispersed. So I'm going to make a trough right in the middle, and I'm going to just spread it evenly down the middle, and then I'm going to cover it over. And like I said, I'm in a hot climate, so I'm going to use the white side, and the white will reflect the heat. So now you're all set, ready to, based on what you want to plant, you'll know where to poke the holes, cut the holes. I'm going to do herbs, so I'm going to have 3 along each side. So just a few questions I can answer, like how often do you need to do this? Once a year, at the beginning of your growing season, you want to get the replant kit. Can beginners do this? Absolutely. You just saw how easy it was. So I would recommend, the EarthBox in general is great for beginners. It's almost a foolproof way of gardening. As long as you want to keep your EarthBox producing at peak performance every year, I would recommend getting the EarthBox Replant Kit every year.